So I'm going to show how to access the TouchCube platform. You have to type touchcube.com.br and we will be redirected to this page, and then we have to click at login. In this page we're gonna create the login, and in case you want to apply the test in other countries, you can choose the language here. There are many other languages available. So to start the creation of the account, we have to click here at sign up. You have to choose a username, just like is in the example, no uppercase, and then choose the email. This email is important so you can reset your password in case you forget it, and then put the password as well. Retype this. That's it. It's very simple to create an account at TouchCube. In the next step, you have to complete your profile with the fields marked with this red sign to be able to access your dashboard. So let's start doing this. Okay, the first thing we have to choose is our position. I would choose this. The primary foot as well. Right. The competitive level, you have to choose what best fits to you. So I'm going to choose this. The birth date. That's it. The usernames are right here, the email as well. So you have to go to this personal information. Put your then nickname as well. Gender, the phone number. Choose the country, Brazil, the city, and put the address. That's it. I've finished the address. And then you have to choose these two more informations here. If you have ever played any national team, you have to choose what best fits to you. And again, the type of competitions played. That's it. You also can choose a photo for your profile. I'm not going to do this now, so just going to click on save. Attention, are you sure that you want to update your profile? You just have to click on save, and that's it. The information is there. If you want to check this, you can just click this button and then click profile. So all have inserted will be here.